People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like,
True
watch
that.
this. That was
Wow.
1,000 views.
That's a real cool dog.
That's so stylish.
Bad kitty for president. Weirdo cow.
What is he doing?
Is he dead or is he in a trance like one of those upside down sharks? This little chicken is dressed like a fairy.
You like apple cinnamon oatmeal?
I like apple cinnamon oatmeal. That's embarrassing, even for the dog. Look at these two. That's just funny. Brat.
You are a brat.
Dachshund versus duck. Why, hello there. Chicken thief. Watch this. Yay, somebody likes me.
Now the chicken wants to be in the video.
I'm a cowboy, but I ride turtles.
Looks like the pig is on top.
I don't get it. Eating from my mama's mouth. Did you say brunch was at 11:30?
What are you doing, silly boy?
Wet dog kisses. Please don't tell me I'm the drama.
I love you.
Almost. That wasn't nice. 2 window lickers. The snozberry tastes like snozberry.
Happy birthday.
He's a special birthday boy.
Happy birthday to you.
Just flapping my lips. 'Cause I'm bored. From being in a timeout and being a naughty boy. This is my jam.